Welcome back, people. In our last video, we saw how to implement a particular CSS style to all instance of a particular element on a single page by adding internal CSS. This is our internal CSS code, and this is present within the head section of the index.html page. Now, let's see how to use external CSS. To do that, let's create a new folder called CSS. You can name it whatever you want, but I have named it as CSS and it is inside HTML personal website folder and it is at the same level as index.html. Inside the CSS folder, I created a file styles.css. The CSS extension lets the browser know that it is a CSS file. We do not need the style tag here. Now let's copy these properties, paste it here. Now we don't need the style tag. We'll delete this. Now let's save this and this. Go to our website, reload, but it looks the same as before. This is because we now have the CSS properties in a separate page and we have to create a link from index.html that points to styles.css. Let's see how to do that. Inside the head, we have to create a link tag. The relationship attributes tells the browser that the link specifies the style sheet. So inside the href tag, we have to specify the path of the CSS folder. Since index.html and CSS are on the same level, we can specify CSS slash styles.css and this will be enough. Let's save this. Go to our browser, run this. So now we are back to yellow. This is what we called external CSS. We can now apply the same style to all our pages that we want. All we have to do is to add the link that points to the external style sheet. Now let's go back to our code. Let's go to styles.css. Change the color of our heading into a different color. First we select the element. Let's say h1. We have a h1 here. So let's change the color of h1. So now let's save this. Go to our website, run this. Now the heading is in golden color, or let's say red color instead, so that it will be more visible. Now let's run this. I forgot to save this. Let's save and run this. Now it's in red color. So now you go ahead and change the font style of the heading. If you are stuck somewhere, don't hesitate to take help from Google. Go check out the documents about how to change the text font in CSS documentation. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.